naman to dahil di sila nakapag-practice kaya pagbigyan nyo na po pero kita nyo naman sa boses pa lang naman of course ni Asia panalong-panalo. Okay. So proper introduction tayo, partner.
Alright. Ano nga uling title? Bring Me to Life. Bring Me to Life.
Bring Me to Life.
Okay, so to give us her version of the song, Bring Me to Life. Okay, let's welcome once again the voice of Olongapo, Miss Asia, live here on Tunog Lokal.
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my cold when I become so numb without a soul? My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find it fair and lead it back home. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Lead my blood to run before I'm come undone. Save me from the nothing I'll become. Bring me to life. Frozen inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the life among the dead. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I'll become. Bring me to life. Bring me to life.
Kakaiba ito, kakaiba.
Yeah,
Oy,
galing,
meron
galing,
yatang inaabot na greetings.
Yan.
Papahabol na greetings yata.
By the way, for those who tuned in late, that was 9-year-old Asia. ladies and
9-year-old
gentlemen.
Asia.
Galing, galing, galing.
Okay, so don't forget February